Hello there, how are you doing? I hope you're well. I've been sent these earplugs to try out by Hearprotek. Something a bit different. Never had these before. They were very kind and just sent these out to me. To be fair, they sent them out to me before Christmas and I haven't had a chance to do anything until now. It's now mid-February. So let's have a look and see what we've got. We've got these silicone earplugs. So these are like soft and squidgy and you just mold them to your ears. So they provide sound and water protection. And then you've got these memory foam ones. So we'll have a look at the silicone ones first. Now what you get in the box is, look at that. All those nice little plugs. And then a little carry box, two little carry boxes to actually carry them around in if you're going travelling or anything like that. Which is kind of neat really, isn't it? You can see the ones I've been playing with. They come with like little plastic thingies. And they're just soft and squidgy. And what you do is you take this stuff and then just push it into your ear and it just creates a mold and seals your hearing off. To be fair, I've only used the one because I'm mostly deaf in this ear, but yeah, I am not a big fan of these, in all honesty. I don't like that whole thing about shoving stuff into your ear that is moldable for some reason. I don't know why, it's a me thing more than anything. However, they do work quite well. The thing I found is you need to kind of make it into a little bit of a point, push that into your ear hole, and then just mold the rest in. I think you can see that. Now, as I say, I'm not the biggest fan of these. The other reason I'm not the biggest fan of them is I find they come a bit loose. However, it might be the kind of thing that works for you, just not for me. But what I would say is, what these come with is really quite neat, isn't it? They reckon it stops sound to 22 decibels. And these do work to stop water getting in your ears as well. So these probably better for swimming and outdoor activities like kayaking perhaps. But yeah, that's what these are. As I say, these not necessarily for me, but they are a good quality product. I should add that they come with a set of directions too. Now my favourites out of these ones they sent me are these. Now these are memory foam tip sleep earplugs. So these are actually not going to be any good for swimming or outdoor activities really. These are just for sleeping with. I found these really comfortable. So let's have a look at what you get in the box. Instructions. There are various shapes and sizes of plugs. Little TPU carry case to carry everything in. There's a little carabiner that you can attach to this little bag so you don't lose your plugs. And then you get these neat little carry cases to go in the bag. Look at that, aren't these neat? You just keep your plugs in there. Handy, right? Now I do find these a lot more comfortable, and I think it's probably because they're memory foam. Gotta make sure you kind of get this right. So there's like a little, can you see the shape of that? And that kind of pushes into your ear and shapes around the channels in your ear. And these are really good. I really do like these. You don't even know you've got them in, they're so comfortable. Yeah. The only thing I can hear is the sound of my own voice, and that's annoying. But yeah, I like those. I think those are really neat. As I say, depending on the size of your ear canals, there are various shaped memory foam pieces so that you can actually tailor these to suit yourself. You do get some small ones of these and some large ones of these, depending on the size of your ears. Show you what I mean. Let's get these out. These are nice and soft and silicone. As you can see, really quite bendy and pliable. As I say, you don't feel them when you've got them in. 2 different sizes, so it's like a lady size and a man size perhaps, I don't know. I guess it just depends on the size of your ears. I guess sex doesn't really matter. But yeah, I do really like these and I do really rate them. I think these are really good. Anyway, thank you Hearprotek for being so patient with me. So these are the Hearprotek earplugs. Silicone ones for sports activities like swimming, that kind of stuff, that will keep water out as well as sound. And then you've got the sleep earplugs for sleeping. You know what to do if you like what I do. Like and subscribe, all that kind of stuff. Thanks so much for watching. You take care of yourself. Cheerio.